The Quiet Server Management Breakthrough, MT-VIKI KVM Rack Mount High Definition Multimedia Interface with 17.3-inch LCD. What if every time you needed to touch a server, you didn't have to hunt for a monitor, drag a keyboard, or crawl under the rack? What if everything you needed was already there, waiting, perfectly clean and ready in exactly 1 U of space? That's not a dream anymore. Thousands of administrators woke up the day they discovered this exists. Keep watching for the next 90 seconds because your server room is about to feel completely different. Picture this. You walk into the server room at 2 a.m. because something's down. You used to wheel in the crash card, fight dusty cables, squint at a tiny VGA screen, and pray the keyboard still worked. Or worse, you'd leave 8 monitors permanently connected, burning power and eating rack space you don't have. Every single day, you're losing time, losing patience, losing control. One missed BIOS setting because the screen was too small, one delayed reboot because you couldn't find the right cable. That quiet frustration builds up until you dread even walking into your own rack. But right now, thousands of smart administrators are smiling because they fixed it forever with one single unit. Tell me in the comments how many servers you're still managing the old way, because that number is about to drop to 0. Then everything changed the moment I saw it slide out like magic. Here's the truth that ended years of struggle for good. Don't just pick any rack console. Make sure it has a built-in 17.3-inch 1080p HDMI display with real 8-port KVM and full keyboard, so you never wheel in a crash card or waste another U of space again. That's exactly what the MT-VIKI KVM Rack Mount High Definition Multimedia Interface with 17.3-inch LCD monitor delivers. One smooth pull and you have a bright, crystal clear screen, perfect feeling keyboard, and responsive touchpad ready in seconds. Tap a hotkey or press a button and you're instantly on any of your 8 servers. No adapters, no clutter, no drama. Data centers went from chaos to calm. Managed service providers cut response time in half. Home lab heroes finally got the pro feel they always wanted. You walk in, slide it out, fix it fast, slide it back. Done. Pure speed, pure control, pure joy. Type wow if you can already feel how good this is going to be. Don't just take my word for it. A senior infrastructure engineer told me last month we replaced crash carts in 3 sites with these MT-VIKI units. Technicians actually fight over who gets to use them now. Another managed service provider owner said they saved over 40 hours a month in billable time because technicians aren't wrestling with cables anymore. Real data center analysts call it the best value 1U console on the market today. I personally watched a rack go from looking like a spaghetti disaster to perfectly clean in under an hour. 0 failures, 0 complaints, just quiet, reliable performance every single day. This isn't hope. It's already happening in racks all over the world. Type yes if you're ready to be next. Imagine walking into your rack tomorrow and feeling proud instead of stressed. That reality is waiting for you right now. Join the thousands of administrators already working smarter, faster, cleaner every single day. I've dropped my personal link in the description and pinned it at the top. It takes literally 10 seconds to click and see it for yourself. No pressure, no tricks, just the truth you've been looking for. Come claim your 1U of pure freedom. See you on the other side, friend.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.